me it. And I'm slobbering all over it and I'm biting down.
Oh, come on. Not where I'm gonna sit. I don't know what age you're going on you.
Down. He's like me cupcake then.
I'm sitting my seat. I'm sitting there. Not you.
He's like, no, I don't see you.
Not you and your ball. Your ball can sit over there. Go.
He got a little
Not
too soft.
listen to me.
He's a smart dog.
I like plastic. But Louis
He-
seems to have gotten behind
He
it.
only got a little bit off though. I need to put the lighting.
Ew. 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 No, I don't want it.
He's trying to be nice and share.
I am not nice. I will not share. I might have dropped a crumb over there. You can have it.
Louis like where? Oh, you're a pig, Louis. Oh, Mac is gonna steal pieces of it. Cause he's lazy.
That was disgusting. And that was comfortable.
I'll give him a minute. He'll clean it.
Your bone's over there. Here's the piece of cake. Give me the cake. It's right there. No, right there. Okay? Cake. Cake. Cake.
That's Louis who will eat it. Just put it by Louis, he'll eat it.
On the ground. Okay. You want it in my hand? Take my hand. Here you go. I'm gonna sit on it. I'm gonna sit on it. Protect myself. It doesn't seem to be bothering you at all.
I sleep on his tail sometimes.
I got one of those chairs, only I got a really cheap one. I accidentally rocked on the cat when I was trying to get up. He's like, ah! I'm like, oh god, I'm sorry.
I haven't actually used it yet.
I use mine a bunch, but mine's not nearly so nasty. Doesn't have arms. It's smaller.
Okay, now Mac is helping him clean up. He's stealing Cookie! The Cookie Monster!
You are drooling, Dolly. Stop looking at you.
Mac's just leaving it there, but when Louis goes to take it, there's gonna be a fight.
Maybe the cat sensations. He ate them before I even got out the door.
Oh. Those were straight meat.
They had crunchy outside.
How crunchy? You break it in your finger?
I don't know. I haven't tried. I just pour them in a bowl. Or maybe a couple from my hand. Hi. What you not eating your treat? You would think you want to go. Well, we're going to have a report. I'll forget yours. You finish it. He did.
He's not stupid. Remember, he was a stray.